Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig running and fleeing from Dinosaur George.
Let's start drawing.
Let's start to draw George Pig's eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. Let's draw a mouth which is open and smiling, and a circle for his cheek. Also draw his ears. Let's draw his dinosaur body. And spikes. Many spikes on his back. Let's draw his dinosaur arms and legs. After that, I draw Peppa Pig. She runs away from George. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Her mouth is wide open and scared. A circle for her cheek, her ears. Then I draw her body. I draw her hands. Let's draw her legs as if she were running. In the background, let's draw a volcano. And a palm tree. Good job!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's color Peppa Pig. For her skin, I'm going to use this pink color. I use light purple for her cheek. I color her dress with red. Red is Peppa Pig's favorite color. To color George the dinosaur, I'm going to use different shades of green. I color his skin light green. I used bright red for his cheek and light red for his mouth. Ooh, how scary! For the spikes on his back, I used dark green. For his body, I used this green marker. I colored the volcano brown. And I use orange and red for the lava. I colored the trunk of the palm tree with this brown marker. Then I used different shades of green for the leaves of the palm tree. I use a light red marker for the ground, like the sand in the desert. Then added a little orange to the background. Very good!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.